Work-from-home opportunities are abundant and versatile, catering to a wide range of interests and skills. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn extra income while staying at home, consider the following options. Room rentals. Utilize any spare rooms or basements by listing them on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. This allows you to generate passive income with minimal effort by carefully managing bookings and providing a comfortable space for guests. Online tutoring. Offer tutoring services in various subjects or standardized tests online. Utilize online tutoring websites or social media for advertising to reach a wider audience. Virtual assisting. Provide administrative support remotely to clients, including tasks such as scheduling, email management, and data entry. Opportunities can be found through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. Freelance writing. Create content for websites, blogs, or advertisements. Cater to different types of clients by offering specialized or broad writing services, such as article writing, blog posts, or copywriting. Transcription. Convert speech to text with excellent attention to detail. Paid per audio hour. Transcription can offer flexibility, but it may require transcribing less interesting topics. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses, engaging with followers and creating content. Proficiency in various social media platforms is necessary for success. Online surveys. Earn extra money by providing feedback through online survey websites. While not highly lucrative, this option offers flexibility and convenience. In-home daycare. Offer childcare services from home, potentially attracting a steady client base. Pricing is usually based on a flat daily or weekly rate. Blogging. Monetize personal blogs through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Building a loyal following takes time, but it can generate passive income. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers. Profit from price differences between retail and wholesale. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, catering to specific skills or expertise. Content can include text, videos, quizzes, and other materials. Online photo sales. Sell professional quality photographs to stock photo websites, providing visuals for marketing materials and earning money. Pet sitting. Offer pet sitting services in your home for pet owners in need. Consider your living situation and insurance before offering services. Selling homemade crafts and art. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. Once established, transition to your own website. Graphic design. Provide graphic design services to businesses and nonprofits, showcasing your skills with a variety of work samples and charging flat or hourly rates. Proofreading. Correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts. Market your skills through social media or proofreading websites, potentially requiring tests before hiring. These work-from-home opportunities are just a few examples of the various ways you can earn extra income without leaving your home. With dedication, hard work, and a bit of creativity, you can find the perfect opportunity that suits your skills and interests.